Hello, my name is Manjunaid. I am the head of the English Language Education Study Program and would like to introduce the custom and culture of the Sasak Province Nusa Tenggara, namely the culture of the traditional of the Gendang Bele. Overview of Gendang Bele. Gendang Bele is a traditional music and dance performance originating from the Sasak tribe in Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. It is characterized by the use of lyre drums and other traditional instruments accompanied by dynamic and magnetic dance. History and cultural significance. Story Gendang Bele always performance of welcome house ranching from where today it is commonly performed is This is documentation of the Gendang Bele. Art from Gendang Bele is performance drum specific event as one Nyongkolan or Merarik Sasak wedding for session Sasak traditional ritual activities and